Now your Storm Track 7 forecast on KWWL.
Well, things are going to get a little cooler across the area, but we are going to see some patchy fog and drizzle, and temperatures really technically above average through the next few days. But areas of clouds are going to be a little thicker, I guess you could say, but it made for a beautiful sunset this evening. Lots of oranges, pinks, and we do have more clouds tracking in. But it is going to stay on the fairly dry side, except for the potential for some drizzle as we look at some mild temperatures continuing across the area. Highs today made it into the 50s and the 60s, made it to 63 in Washington, and we did have some records that were broken in Waterloo, Cedar Rapids, and Iowa City, get very close in the Dubuque area as well. And temperatures are still well above average. We're supposed to have highs in the 28-degree range, so obviously still well above that by 20 to even 25, 30 degrees in some instances. Colder air, though, is starting to work its way back into the region. It's been kind of sitting up in the Dakotas, where they have had some snow showers over the last 12 to 24 hours. But we're going to see some clouds in our area increasing, and it is going to be in the form of maybe some areas of fog. That'll continue through tonight into tomorrow morning. May have a break at some point during the day tomorrow with more clouds by the evening. It's going to be kind of a mix of clouds and clear skies, and it will determine what we end up with for highs. But by the weekend, we have a large storm system that brings some rain and could even bring some thunderstorms. That's what this area could be on the Saturday evening. And then on the backside of it, much colder air starts to work its way in. Could see falling temperatures throughout the day on Sunday. So the rain changes over to snow, but it doesn't look like a lot of snowfall. However, there is going to be a lot of wind with this system, and it's already still making its way on the coast, so it's still well far away from us. But it is going to bring a lot of rain to California, and as this system tracks through, kind of falls apart over the Rockies and then redevelops. So where it redevelops will be a big determination into what we end up with on Saturday and Sunday, other than wind. So patchy fog and drizzle tonight with temperatures generally in the 30s to the low 40s, so still well above average across the area. We'll see temperatures tomorrow. No, not as nice as today, but still above average. Mostly the 40s across the viewing area, low 40s in the north, upper 40s in the south. Patchy fog in the morning. If we have more sunshine than expected, these temperatures will warm up by about at least 3 or 4 degrees. And then cooler temperatures on Friday with some west-northwesterly winds, but still technically 10 degrees above average, about 10 degrees warmer than that on Saturday as that rain tracks in. Breezy conditions, windy for Sunday and Monday as we get some much colder air. Falling temperatures likely on Sunday. Snowfall amounts and rainfall amounts really determined by the path of that system. Much colder on Monday, and we'll be back near 30 degrees, technically above average, as we end this year and start the new one.